Hi everyone, it's Becky Livingston from Penheel Marketing, and today I want to tell you a new Canva hack. It's pretty new. I mean, today's August 20th, 2025, and I think it came out in the last week or so. And if you haven't noticed it, it is a great organizational tip that I think you're going to love. So, from your homepage, there's a couple things that you can do. You can organize your uploads into folders. What? So, if you click on projects, there's folders. Okay, so you've seen this before. Folders are not new, but what is new is your uploads folder. You can organize your video clips into folders. So you can simply add a new folder. You can do this from your project side, or you can do it from within your designs. So I'll show you that in a second. So I have video clips, and you can see I've got a ton of video clips in here, and I've moved them into my video clips folder, and I can see it uploads video clips. It's over here on the side. So let's go take a look at how you do this inside of a project. So I'm going to go to accounting posts, and I'm going to open up September. On my sidebar where uploads are, you now have something called folders. And you can organize your content by folders. So maybe I want to create a Penheel folder where I'm putting my stuff, my images, etc. from Penheel. And I can scroll down here and I can check the items that are Penheel related. I can just click away, find my Penheel stuff, go down here, there's some Penheel stuff. And once I find it, I scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click the folder. And it says move. I want to move it to Penheel, and Penheel's in my uploads folder. So I'm going to click that and click move. It's moving my items. Now when I go to folders, Penheel has 4 options in it, the 4 things that I did. This is great. If you're like me, I'm an agency. I have a ton of branded stuff for my clients, but I have a ton of my own stuff. So great opportunity here for me to use my uploads content and organize it. That's all I have for today. Hope you enjoy this one. I think it's a fantastic add-in for Canva, and you have a great day and have fun organizing your uploads. Take care.